Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Dosh cashback app, and maybe you're wondering, can you really save money with this app? Can you even make rewards from it? Does it make sense? Is it legitimate, or is it a big waste of time? Let's check it out, okay? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, so let's check out the Dosh cashback app to find out whether this is the good or the ugly, or maybe they're just better ways to save and make money online out there, right? Now, the Dosh cashback app has been around for quite a long time. It's actually a very cool app. It's only available in the US though, right? So if you're not available in the US and you're watching this video, don't worry, stick around till the end of the video. I'll show you a cool way to make some additional income, right? Now, you can download this from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. If we click on the Google Play Store, it's going to basically look like this, right? Over 1 million downloads. It's a popular app, all right? And the way it works is it's pretty easy, okay? You basically download this app and you sign up for free, okay? And once you log in, you'll be able to link your credit card. So this is a very important step. You must link either your Visa, your Master, or your American Express to the app itself. Now, once you've done that, the way it works is you can shop directly on the app, okay? So if you come to the different stores right here, you'll see, you know, all the big names like Uber, Old Navy, Grubhub, Music, and you can see some of them on your website as well, right? All the big ones, Costco, Adidas, Aeropostale, Casper, Sam's Club, Disney, right? And essentially what will happen is when you're scrolling through the app, you're going to see some different cashback options that you can use, all right? Most of them will average around 5%, 5, 6, 7%. Sometimes you'll see some offers at 10%, but generally around 5 to 6%, which is the main amount of cashback that you can make. And once you purchase directly from their app, they will credit or they'll use your credit card that you've linked to the app, so your Visa or your MasterCard. Sometimes they've got some cool deals on Visa as well. You will save that cashback and it will add directly to the app itself. Very, very simple, okay? So the whole goal here is as you're doing your shopping, they're going to have partnerships with a lot of these different, retailers right here, for example, all right? And since you're going to be shopping anyway, if you're going to be buying something from Shake Shack or AT&T, for example, right? You may as well, shop through their particular app and save a little bit of money. The way that they make money is they refer you to these retailers, all right? So they've done some deals with, for example, Blue Apron, Boss, Crocs, things like that. And by referring you through their links, they will make some money, and that's how they can, give you some of those savings as well. I hope that makes sense, okay? And then as simple as that. And as you purchase, right? So let's just say you buy something from Domino's, they charge your credit card, you make, in this particular example, 8% cash back. The 8% will be added to your Dosh app itself. And what happens is once you've reached over $15, you're able to withdraw, okay? Now, the way that you can withdraw, two methods. You can withdraw through Venmo and through PayPal. All right, that's pretty much it. So once you get over $15, you can choose to either donate it to a charity online, as you can see right here, or you can withdraw it directly through PayPal in cash or Venmo in cash, which I think is pretty cool. Now, the question is how long is it going to take you to add up to more than $15, okay? Well, it just depends on how much you use the app, right? So if you're using the app to, purchase things like Domino's Pizza, or, you're going to pay your AT&T bill and things like that, at 5% cash back, you do the math, it can take, pretty quick, to be honest, to save up to over $15 in cash back, all right? So the thing is, you're not going to get rich with Dosh, right? But what it does allow you to do is, since you're going to be making these purchases anyway from some of these big brands, your day-to-day shopping, your day-to-day bills, then it's a good way to save a little bit of money, all right? Now, it's not going to make you rich. It's not going to allow you to quit your full-time job, nothing like that. But it is a pretty cool cashback application. The withdrawal threshold is pretty low. They increased it to $25. Now they've reduced it back to $15, which I think is pretty cool. It works with Visa, with MasterCard, with American Express, and it's a really easy and cool way to save a little bit of money. Now, you're not going to save that much money because the majority of the cashbacks are around 5 to 6%. So it's not like, 20% or 50% or anything like that. Generally speaking, with cashback websites or cashback applications, it's about, 1 to 5% in savings. So it's not a ton of money, but it's better than not saving any money at all, okay? The thing that I want you to understand with Dosh though is that this is not a money generator. This is more of a way to save a little bit of money on the spending that you're going to be doing anyway. All right. So if you're based in the US and you want to save a little bit of money, there are a lot of different cashback applications and websites out there. Dosh is a pretty good one, and a lot of people use it. The ratings are very high. So if you want to check it out, you can come to the Google Play Store. All right. And you can just go ahead and come right here and click on downloading the application yourself. Okay, if you want to check it out, you can head over to the Google Play Store, download it, and you can check out Dosh and save a little bit of money that way. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to actually make money online. Everything from cashback websites, platforms, different apps, different business models, and things like that. And the things that I've seen is I like to use different business models to generate a lot of income, right? Now, it's cool to save a little bit of money. Don't get me wrong. And Dosh is a cool way to save a bit of money, but you're never going to leave your full-time job, or it's never going to replace your full-time income by using applications like Dosh, right? What you need to do is use actual business models, different websites, different strategies to actually create leverage, create automation to generate a lot of income. Now, I've seen a lot of bad strategies as well and a lot of bad applications, okay? But out of all of the good ones, there was one that I used to completely quit my full-time job. I used it to 5 times my old corporate salary, and I think that this is great for any beginner that wants to use the internet to supercharge their income. And if you want to check this strategy out, I've got a free masterclass step by step that will show you exactly how I did it. Just click the link all the way at the bottom below this video and I'll give you access to that masterclass for free. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of Dosh. Hope you save some money, create some great income for yourself. All the best, and I hope to see you on another video review soon. Take care.